Hi, welcome to this new channel. I'm David and I'm here to bring you into the future of your home comfort. So welcome to Eco Future Heat. So on this channel, we'll be diving headfirst into the plumbing and heating, air conditioning and the renewables world. With energy saving tips and tricks on site, tool reviews and tools we use, smart controls, whether they can be effective in your home, and even how to top up your boiler pressure. Here at Eco Future Heat, I strive every day to make sure that my customers are heating their home efficiently and reliably. So if you're looking for tips and tricks, advice, maybe the processes behind why your heating is or isn't working, then you're in the right place. So please like, subscribe and share this channel with others so that I can help you get to a greener, more economical future. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.